Well, I just want to share something with you. I went through one of my more difficult moments. I was talking to my oldest son on the phone, and he was saying that he was like having an anxiety attack, and he couldn't figure it out. Like, there didn't seem to be any reason, and it didn't click with me. It didn't click at all. And I was telling him he needed to pray and let God handle things, and that there were some things that were out of his control, especially for those times when didn't seem to be any reason. And then I heard he started having a grand mal seizure, and of course he wouldn't answer me, so I had to hang up the phone. His brother lives close by, and I called him to get to him. Apparently it was minor compared to the ones he's had before, because he seemed to make more sense sooner than he in the past would have. But he doesn't remember talking to me on the phone, and he does not remember having the seizure. But these are the moments. These are the most difficult moments. He was calling me because he didn't feel good. And it was because he was sensing a seizure coming on. And I can't do anything to stop it. I can't make it all okay. I can't make it better. I can't make it go away. These are the type of things that you face in life. These are the type of things you have to steel yourself for. These are the type of things that make you want to give up, but you can't. Life is not easy. And no one promised us a bed of roses. I just wish I could get rid of some of those thorns from my children. And these are the kind of days, as a mother, that I'd like to take a few people out that caused this, that hurt my children. But I am the better person, and I'm going to put my faith in God and eternity, that there will be justice, and there is a reason for everything. And that is the only reason I'm sitting here talking to you right now. So steel up, no matter what's coming. Your children, your grandchildren, your nephews, your nieces, they're all going to need you. And life is tough. So buckle up, Buttercup. I will talk to y'all later. And thank you for listening to me. Bye for now.